Can you believe it? Just as I start recording, I sneeze. Anyway, let me put the camera back a little bit. So excuse that intro. Today I wanted to talk to you about aperture, and I wanted to show you in practical terms how much more light comes into the camera at say f1.2 compared to your kit lens, which is 3.5 to 5.6. So I'll turn the camera around and we'll have a look at some objects on the floor, and I'll turn the dial as I speak so you can see how much more light comes in. Okay, so we're looking at a couple of cars on the floor just for demonstration purposes. They're placed around 2 to 3 centimeters from each other, the 3 cars that you can see. I've set the camera for manual mode, shutters at 1/50th, recording at 25 frames per second, and I've set the ISO to 100 so that it doesn't change. And you'll see the change in light as I move the aperture. Currently it's set at f5.6, and I'll move it by increments. So here we go. This is 5, 4.5, 4. So we've gone a full stop now from 5.6 to 4. And again in third increments, 3.5, 3.2, and 2.8. So another stop. And we'll go again, 2.5, 2.2, and 2. And I'll go again. So this is 1.8, sort of quite a few lenses come at this aperture. So there's your 1.8, 1.6, 1.4, and one more 1.2. And I'll quickly roll back from 1.2, which is this. Just notice before I do that how the bokeh in the background is showing quite well and the green car is quite blurry. And we'll roll back to 5.6. Sorry about the movement, I actually have to touch the camera for this. And now you can see that that green car is much more visible, as well as all the other cars in the background. So you can see how much more light. I'll just turn it one more time for anyone interested. So going from 5.6 to 1.2. This is 1.8 and 1.2. All right, so I hope that was helpful in some way, just to show you the amount of light that comes in when you're changing your aperture. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, comment, help my channel grow, and I'll see you in the next one.